Hello, I'm Steve Brennan, the Division Manager for Kelmann Restoration, and this is my team. We have a simple mission: to assist our neighbors return from any property damage. A disaster doesn't care what time of day it is, and neither do we. At Kelmann Restoration of Sheboygan, our response teams are available 24/7. We are a proud Sheboygan neighbor, friend, and partner. Kelmann Restoration specializes in bringing homes and businesses back to life after damage. We are asking for the opportunity to earn your trust and earn your business.